welcome to Chem 141 Sieving Lab. My name is Haley. Today I'm going to show you the procedure of sieving lab. So first, we're going to bring our soil samples in the bag, both of our samples. And then we're going to need a big bucket here and a plastic bag inside and 2 sieves. So the first one, we're going to need the 6.4 millimeter sieve. And the next, we're going to need the 2 millimeter sieve here. And we're going to put the smaller sieve on the top of the bucket. And then we're going to put the larger sieve on the top. And then we're going to pour our soil samples from the top. So we open the bag and pour the soil sample inside of the top sieve. Yeah, try to get everything inside. Okay, then we just gonna hold the bucket, the whole thing, and gently shake a little bit. As you shake, the smaller particles gonna drop down to the bucket and the next sieve. And then whenever you feel you get everything sorted out, so you can double check, looks good, you get enough for the smallest particle, then we're gonna transfer the soil to the Ziploc bags. And first, we're gonna put the sieve on the bench, and then we're gonna collect the smallest soil sample in the bag, hold on the top, and then we open a new Ziploc bag and hold the top and transfer it inside of the Ziploc. Just like that. And then after you do that, we're gonna just use the Sharpies to write the sample name. So mine have a residential soil. And my name is Haley. And my section is 401 HCHE 141. And the date. So today is April 20. Okay. So don't forget the size of your sample. This should be less than 2 millimeter. That should be all. So next, we're gonna transfer our top soil samples, which is the largest particles. So we're gonna open the plastic bag into the bucket again. Then we just carefully transfer this sample to the bucket, the bags in the bucket. And then same thing, we're gonna transfer this to our Ziploc bag. Same thing, I'm gonna hold the top and get a new Ziploc bag and pour everything into the Ziploc bag. And this way you will not spill anything. So it's pretty easy. Make sure you get everything from it. Oops, I spilled. Okay, that's good enough. All right, after you transfer it, same thing, write the labels on it. Use the Sharpies. So I put the date on it, April 20, and my name, Haley. my soil sample name residential. And the size for this one is going to be greater than 6.4 millimeters. And my section is CAM 141-401H. So this is another sample. And last, we're going to transfer the medium size of our sample. So it's the same thing. We're going to repeat this one more time. Put the plastic bag on the bucket. And gently pour the soil sample inside of the bag. Make sure get everything as much as you can. And then we're going to transfer to our Ziploc bag. Okay, so we got our last sample, and then we're gonna label it. So for this one, the sample from the middle sieve is gonna be the size between 2 millimeters to 6.4 millimeters. So your medium size. So we're gonna write greater than 2 millimeters. Less than 6.4 milliliters. Your name and your sample name and the date and your section. Okay, now you got your sample sorted out from different sizes. This is our first part. So now we're gonna grind the fine soil sample, less than 2 millimeters sample. We're gonna pour it into the mortar and grind it. So we can pour good amount of in it, and then we're gonna grind it with the pestle. It should be really fine, but we just want it finer. Okay, I think it's good. Now we're gonna use a weigh bowl to weigh up to 2 grams of our grinded soil sample. The first, we're gonna turn on the scale, and then we put our weigh bowl on the scale, and then we press 0 to 0. The rating is 0 gram right now, and then I'm gonna use the spatula to transfer some ground soil to the weigh bowl to see how much it's. So it's 0.6 gram. I need more. Now it's 1.57. Need more. I have 2.11. Is too much. Still too much. Okay, now I have 1.99 grams. It's a good rating. Make sure you put the rating on your lab report. Now I'm going to transfer this soil sample to the small bottle. First, I'm going to curve this like a clam. And then I'm gonna pour the soil sample to the small bottle. Yes, that's it. And then we're gonna need to put the label on the bottle. We just need to write your initial and the sample name. And your section. On the bottle. It should be fine. Thanks for watching.